Authoritarian Sociopathy, Toward a Renegade Psychological Experiment. Chapter 15. Data Analysis. The statistical data specifically relevant to the experiment's hypothesis will be the rate of intervention in the groups which saw footage of a police assailant, the disparity with the rate of intervention in the group which saw footage of a civilian assailant, and the private security assailant if we include that variable, and any personal information which shows a statistically significant difference within each group. Further data on emotion and motivation gleaned from the exit survey will be used to identify potential causes, avenues for further research, and general discussion of the issue, but is not directly relevant to the hypothesis. If the rate of people willing to intervene in an incident of unprovoked police brutality is startlingly low, that will give us some indication of the severity of the problem of obedience in society and lend weight to the argument that police militarization is made possible in part by the complacency of civilians. If the rate is surprisingly high, it will invalidate this hypothesis and indicate that other causes of militarization should be explored. If the rate of intervention in the police assailant group is significantly lower than the rate in the civilian assailant group, that will confirm that aggression from authority figures is more tolerated than aggression in general, indicating that authority itself may increase or even incentivize aggression. If no significant disparity between the rates is discovered, that will invalidate this hypothesis and also indicate that other causes of militarization should be explored. If specific personal information is found that correlates strongly with intervention, that will indicate that obedience to authority is learned behavior and not innately human nature. That should guide avenues for further discussion and research aimed at discovering both the root of the learned behavior and the factors which contribute to learning the opposite behavior. If no correlation is discovered, that will invalidate this hypothesis and indicate either that obedience to authority is innate or that weaknesses in the experimental design failed to screen for the causal factors.